Hello my dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here. So today is a recipe from my healthy dessert series, and this is the simple and so yummy recipe, baked apples. So let's begin. So you might think, well, how's that even a dessert? It's a baked apple, but oh my goodness, once this simple fruit-like apple is baked, it definitely takes on the taste of a decadent dessert, right? And this is the healthiest recipe, healthiest cooked or made dessert you can have is a baked apple. So I'm gonna do apples two ways. So one is just actually bake the apple itself, how it is, with no alterations, which I'm gonna be doing 6 of them here. But I'm also going to be doing the one where if you want to be a bit more fancy and you want to kind of have a bit of extra spices and sugar and cinnamon, and that's what we're going to do. So we're going to make a little well in the middle of the apple by taking out the core, and we're going to fill it with a bit of sugar, a bit of raisins or sultanas, and a pinch of cinnamon. So I'm just gonna take a knife and carefully, or if you have an apple core you could use that. I don't have an apple core, so I'll just very carefully try and take the top part off. Just a little well, if you don't have an apple core, you're probably not going to take the core out. As long as you take a piece here at the top, that's fine. So I'm just gonna do the same on a couple more apples. So yeah, just make a well wide enough, deep enough to place a few raisins and some sugar into it, basically. And others are just gala apples. They're just sweet and nice on their own anyway. I think these other ones that I had, one is maybe gala, but the other ones I think they were Braeburn. So they have a little bit of tartness, so that bit of sugar and raisins will be really nice there. So I think you're better off adding the raisins and sugar into a bit tartar apples than sweet ones, because sweet ones, they are sweet enough on their own anyway. So yeah, so now I made a little well there, so I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of sugar. So this is just light brown sugar I've got. You could put coconut sugar to be even healthier. So just put a little bit of sugar into each. And then I'm going to add a pinch of cinnamon in there. Just a tad into each. And then top it off with a few raisins here. I think these are sultanas. Raisins are a little bit smaller, I believe. But whichever way, anything work. Even cranberries would work here too. That would be nice actually too. So just add a few raisins. And these are now ready to go into the oven. So my oven is preheating at 170 degrees Celsius, fan assisted, or if it's just a regular non-pan assisted, then it's 190 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to bake these for about 40 to 45 minutes. Basically we want them to start really nicely caramelizing and having that delicious caramelized taste. So I'll get back to you once these are ready. The apples have baked. Look at this. So they have released their juices, as you can see. Some of them kind of started really caramelizing. I'm gonna try a little bit of this apple for you because it's kind of fallen apart a little bit, but oh, it smells so delicious. Oh my god. I could eat probably 4 or 5 of these apples in one sitting. They are so delicious. And the liquid, you know, you could get it with a spatula or a spoon. Obviously don't scratch your non-stick surface, but so good. So this is the simplest and the healthiest dessert you can make, that is not just fruit or dried fruit, for example. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment as well. What is your favorite simple dessert? Maybe something I haven't tried before. I'll be happy to make it on the channel. If you're new here, welcome, and subscribe for more videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And remember guys, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in the body. Until next time.